Power sharing. Democracy, that is government by the people. Power is shared among legislature, which are lawmakers, executive, which are decision makers, and judiciary, that is court system in democratic country. Let's start with two stories from Belgium and Sri Lanka. Stories are about how power sharing are handled differently in Belgium and Sri Lanka. Belgium is a small country in Europe with 1 crore population. Belgium has complex racial composition. Out of total population, 59% Flemish people speak Dutch, 40% Wallonia people speak French, 1% Belgian people speaks German. In capital city, Brussels, 80% speaks French, while 20% speaks Dutch. Minor and rich French-speaking peoples were hated by Dutch-speaking peoples. Dutch-speaking were majority in country but minority in Brussels. Belgian leaders recognized diversity in country. Between 1970 and 1993, they made many changes in constitution to ensure unity in country. Equal number of Dutch and French-speaking ministers in central government. No single community can make decision itself. Transfer of power from central government to state government. Brussels government have equal representation for both communities. Community government has power of cultural, educational and language-related issues. Belgian model helped to avoid conflicts between communities. When European countries formed European Union, Brussels was chosen as its headquarters. Sri Lanka is an island nation in South Asia with 2 crore population. Sri Lanka has diverse population in which 74% are Sinhala speakers, 18% are Tamil speakers, out of which 13% are Sri Lankan Tamils, 5% are Indian Tamils. Sri Lankan Tamil are more in north and east of country. Most Sinhalese are Buddhist, while Tamils are Hindus or Muslims. About 7% Christians are both Tamils and Sinhalese. Sri Lanka got independence in 1948. Sinhala community was in majority, so government adopted methods to establish Sinhala power in Sri Lanka. In 1956, an act declared Sinhala as official university and governmental language. Constitution demanded protection and encouragement of Buddhism. All these government methods made Sri Lankan Tamils feel alone. They felt their language and culture are in danger of loss. They felt government refused their political rights, discriminated in getting jobs. As a result, clashes exist between Sinhalese and Tamils. Sri Lankan Tamils demanded for Tamil as an official language. Self-rule is their regions. Equal opportunities in job and education. Independent Tamil state in Sri Lanka. But their demands were denied by the government. As a result, civil war occurred between Sinhalese and Sri Lankan Tamils. War killed thousands of people in both communities. War destroyed social, cultural, and economic life of the country. Learnings from Belgium and Sri Lanka. Belgium shows that unity can be achieved by respecting feelings of different communities and regions. Sri Lanka shows if majority wants to dominate over others, it can destroy unity of country.